Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send all the data at once from your Google Sheets application to Pabbly Connect or to any other application via Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation tool which will let you connect two different applications together and automate the flow of the data between these two applications. So guys, here I'm going to show a feature of Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on that you can install in Google Sheets application, and that will allow you to send all the data of your spreadsheet at once from Google Sheet application to Pabbly Connect or to any other application. Okay, so let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this is my Google Sheets application, and here I have created this spreadsheet. And in the spreadsheet I have the details of my contacts. You can see that I have the first name, the last name, the gender, the work email and the phone number. Okay, now guys, I want to send this whole data that I have in spreadsheet into Google Contacts, and I want to create contacts here out of this data that I have in the spreadsheet. Okay, and I want to do it at once. Okay, for that, what I have to do, I just have to set up this automation, and after that I just have to click on this extensions here, and from this extensions you will see this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, and from this option when you click on this send all data button, the data that you have in your spreadsheet will be collected here in Pabbly Connect and will be transferred here to Google Contacts, and the contacts will be added here automatically at once. Okay, so now let me show you how it is going to work. So first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect to start setting up this automation, and to reach here you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. So just click here on this create workflow button. Now you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as send all data from Google Sheets automatically. Okay, so you can give the name according to you. I have given this, and now click on create, and you can see your workflow is getting created here. And here you will find these things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. Okay, so first of all, let's set up our trigger. So from this choose app field, choose a trigger application, which is Google Sheets in our case. Select that. Okay, and the trigger event would be new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay, and as you select the trigger event, it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Google Sheets application, and by following these instructions you can make this connection. Let me show you how exactly you can do this. So first of all, copy this webhook URL from here and come to your spreadsheet, and from this extensions option, go to add-ons and click on get add-ons. Okay, and under this Google Workspace Marketplace window, search for an add-on which is called as Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, this one. Search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install it here. Okay, so it will just take 2 minutes to install it. After getting it installed like this, you need to refresh your spreadsheet. Okay, I have already installed it. So after installing this webhook, refresh the spreadsheet. This is an important step. And after refreshing it, when you click on extensions, you will find this Pabbly Connect webhooks option available in this drop down only. And from here, go to initial setup option. Click on initial setup. Okay, and under the initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column. So in the webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect, and in the trigger column you have to put the final data entry column of your spreadsheet. So let me show you. So the final data entry column here we have is the E column. This means we are going to enter the data finally here in this E column. So we'll start putting the data from this A column, then B, then C, then D. Then after that, lastly, we'll enter the data here. And as we enter the data here, this will trigger the workflow. So this is why it is called trigger column. Okay. So go to extensions from Pabbly Connect Webhooks, click on initial setup, and here let me first paste the webhook URL that I've copied. The trigger column is E. Okay. And here you can see in the workflow, when I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. So to do that, just come back here and click on send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that we have in our spreadsheet will be captured here as the test data to set up this automation further. Okay. So let me click here. And you can see the test data sent successfully is written here. Let's check here in the workflow if we got the data. And in this response received section, we get the data like this. Here we have the first name, the last name, the gender, the work email, and all the things we got here in our spreadsheet in the first row got captured. Right? Now click on submit. Okay. And we are done making the connection. Okay. Now guys, I want to send all the data from this spreadsheet to here in Google Contacts and add the data as the contacts, right? For that to happen, you have to connect Google Contacts application in the Sections tab. So from here, search for Google Contacts. And in the action event, select here, create contact option. Now click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Contacts. Okay, and from this window you have to select the Google account by which you are using Google Contacts application. Select that. Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. Just click on continue. And you can see we are getting connected. Okay. Right, we are connected now. And here it is asking for the first name, the last name, the gender, and these things to create a contact. So I'm going to map the data, I'm going to map the labels that I have received here in this response received section. Okay. So from this first step, just map the full name label from this. So when you click here, you will find this Google Sheets step in the drop down, and from here only you can map this first name label. For the last name, use the same process. You can map the gender as well. So to map the gender, just remember to toggle this map button to on first. Then after that, you can map it. For the email, use the same way. Okay. Phone number, we have the phone number also. Right? So we have mapped these labels and the data here. So when you map the data like this, what will happen? As and when you are going to click on send all data from your Google Sheet, these labels are going to change automatically and new contacts will be added in Google Contacts application. Okay. So first of all, let's check our connection with Google Contacts if it is working properly or not. So I am leaving all these fields blank. These are not compulsory fields. And you can check the connection by clicking on save and send test request, and a new contact will appear here in this list. Okay. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response we have received. Nagendra Sharma is added as a new contact. Let's check here. So now let's check our connection with Google Contacts. Here you can see I have deleted all the contacts and I am clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. So this is the response we have received. A contact named Nagendra Sharma got added here. Let's check if we got the data. And let me refresh, and here you can see a new contact is added here named as Nagendra Sharma. Okay, so this is the same contact that I have mapped here. Okay, you can see, right? So this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation. Okay, now let me delete this contact again. Okay, right? And now I'm coming back to my spreadsheet. Now let me show you how you can use send all data feature of Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on. Okay. Now we are done setting up the automation, and suppose that you have added more data into your spreadsheet. Okay. And now you want to send all the data together at once from this spreadsheet to another application, which is Google Contacts in our case. Okay, so now you just have to click on extensions, and from Pabbly Connect webhooks or add-on option, click on send all data like this. Okay, right? Now let's check in Google Contacts application and see what's happening. So let me refresh this contact section, and here you can see we got 1 2 3 4 5 contacts added automatically here. Okay, and these are the same 5 contacts that I have here, which got added here like this. You can see Akash, Kavita, Rajendra, Pavan and Nagendra. Akash is here, Pavan is here, Rajendra, Nagendra and Kavita is here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and this is how you can use send all data option from Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on here. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.